Alright, this is going to be a quick tutorial on how to make a pie chart in Google Sheets. Love Google Sheets, way better than Excel, it saves on its own. So you're going to go to your little waffle icon when you're logged into your DUSD account, click on Google Sheets, click on blank presentation. You might want to title this so you know where to find it in future. Soil pie chart. And then maybe your name. So here I'm going to put my different soil properties that I have already measured. And here I am going to put my percentages. Okay, so let's say I had sand, silt, clay, and organic matter. So that's stuff that was like floating around in the water and floating on top. These you must include, even if you don't have a percentage for it. So sand, let's say I had 50%. Silt, I had 40. I didn't have any clay, so I'm going to put 0. And remember, when we're doing percentages, if we're doing a pie chart, it must add up to 100. So my organic matter would be 10. I'm going to click on this soil properties, click and hold my cursor down or my keypad and drag so I highlight all of my data. Then I'm going to click on insert chart, or I can click on this little chart icon. So I'm going to insert chart. And Google Sheets is really smart. It probably already knows that you're trying to do a pie chart. If not, click here for chart type and you can choose a different one. Make sure you have pie chart. The only thing that I would change here, it looks really great. It has my percentage, it has my breakdown, is my title. I feel like my title needs to be better. So I'm going to click on it and I can actually change the title right here. So I'm going to say percentage of soil properties in soil sample, and then put the person's name, so it would be Lee. Okay, now it's beautiful, it's ready to go. I click on it so it's all highlighted. You see these little square boxes. I can copy this by clicking on these 3 dots and click copy chart, and now I can paste it into my slides or whatever I'm working on. I would paste it unlinked just in case you delete that later. And it's ready to go, and you can put it wherever you need to. All right, let me know if you have any more questions. Keep it up.